Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivosmart 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the alert vibration intensity on this smartband. First we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the button. Once you wake up the screen, press the button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the system option and tap on it to enter. And here scroll down, find the option called alert vibration, tap on it, and this will open the list of different vibration intensities. And we have off, so if you select this option, the vibration will be disabled. Then we have low, medium, and high. Select the option you like, and then press the check mark to confirm and apply the setting. And once you're done, you can press the button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the alert vibration intensity on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.